Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a high quality video on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to select the effects section, go to video effects and select cartoon, and you're going to select the black and white sketch and you're going to add it. I'm just going to copy and paste the other one first, and I'm going to add this neon one so I don't have to go back. Then select blur and add it to both of the layers that we just did, the outline and the neon one. Select the outline, go to blend, go to opacity, and select, was it color burn or color dodge? Select color burn for the outline one, and for this one select color dodge. Just the opacity a little bit here. Then I'm going to add in like adjustments tab here. Scroll down, adjust the saturation, adjust the brightness, adjust the contrast as well. Add in some shadows here. Go to sharpen and sharpen it out a lot. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!